Morning. It's June 22nd, and I'm going to do a little video here of taking down these Yukon Gold potatoes, harvesting them out of it's probably between a 2 and a 3 gallon pot. I planted these things on April the 3rd. Now we're a little early, but the blight's getting in them. You can see right there, if it's picking up on camera. And my watering, my barrels just keep draining. I keep draining them because we've had 95-degree weather for the past week and in the 90s last week and no rain. In our area, it's been almost 2 weeks, and I'm just really overwatering these things, and I want to get them down. I just harvested 2 planter boxes yesterday. The videos are in my playlist there. I posted them yesterday, and I've got 3 more buckets of these. I'm going to probably do a video today on these, and then tomorrow do the 5-gallon buckets. Let me cut this water off. I've got 4 55-gallon barrels, and I've got a 275-gallon IBC tote, but I don't have it hooked up yet. But my 4 barrels, I'm filling up this morning because we've had no rain. I usually try to water with rainwater, but you got to do what you got to do. I don't never take a water hose and spray on my plants because our water here in Indiana is, we've got hard water, and they treat it heavily with chlorine. You can even smell it out of the tap. So what I'll do is, I just watered this morning with the water I've filled up about a week ago in the buckets. Well, probably 4 days ago. And I'll let that water sit so that chlorine can dissipate out of it. If you give it a day or two and let that chlorine out of your water, it's pretty good water to use then. And I'll hand water everything. And be honest with you, right now with the blueberries coming on, the blackberries coming on, the potatoes finishing up, and the tomatoes and the peppers and the cucumbers, I'm having to water every 3 days, and I try to put about 2 gallons of water on each plant every 3 or 4 days, and I'm running about 200 gallons of water a week, so if not more. So if I take some of these things down that they're finishing up anyway, that's going to help me out on my water bill. And we're praying for rain. We're supposed to get some this afternoon, but it says it's going to be south of us, so I went ahead and filled up 3 of the barrels and left 1 open, so if it rains I can fill it up. We'll just see how that goes. But anyway, let's get to harvesting these plants. So what I'll do is, I'll come in here and I'll cut the tops off, and maybe I can get these in the garbage before the garbage man comes. I don't compost these leaves. It's got blight, and I'm not sure if it has any other diseases, but I definitely know it's got blight. So I throw all these leaves in the garbage, and the landfill can have it. There's another one. 4-3. Well, we've got a few roots at the bottom, but I don't see any potatoes, so that's not a good sign. They're one decent sized one. Okay, you can see this. Hope it's picking up. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We'll just count all these little ones. 12. So 12 potatoes. For a pot this size. And this pot measures, it's 10 inches by 9.5 inches. So that's not bad. That's a meal. So let's see if we do any better on the other plant. We'll put these in here. Well, we got roots, so that's a good sign. Hey, buddy. You want a little potato? You want a potato? Not interested. Okay. Pretty nice right off the bat. That's not bad for a 10-inch pot. There's a seed potato. Oh. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Carlos, you potato? Nope, he didn't want it. So we'll just call that, I don't know if you can even count that as a potato. So we'll just say 9 out of that pot. So that's what we got out of 2 10-inch pots. And like I say, those pots are probably 2 gallons. They might be 3 gallons, but I'm not sure. A friend of mine planted some nursery plants for a landscaping company, and he gave me all the pots, so I don't know what size they are, but I'll take 3 pots any day. But there you go. That's not a bad harvest off 2 little bitty pots. Thanks for watching.